Welcome. In front of me I have Smart TV Samsung TU 8082 inches, and I'm going to show you how we can change name of this TV. So at the first we have to grab our controller and click on this home button. Next, by using the arrows, we have to move to the settings. And right now simply go for the general, tap on the system manager and go right here for the device name. So just go for the user input, click OK second time, and right now we can delete all this name and we can input them manually. So I would like to set this one and then just click done right here to confirm, and as you can see, name of our device has changed. So thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.